Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable password after sleep on Windows 11 PC. Windows 11 requires you to enter your password again when your PC resumes from sleep. This feature is designed for security, preventing others from accessing your account when you are ready. If you are in home or office or a trusted location, it can be convenient to re-enter your password every time you step away from the device for a few minutes. If needed, you can disable the sign-in requirement on Windows 11 after waking up from sleep. For this, first click on this one start button. After that, click on the settings. Under settings, click on this one accounts in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and under additional settings, click on this one sign in options. Under sign in options, again scroll down to this one additional settings. Here you will find this one option. If you have been away, when should Windows require you to sign in again? Click on this one drop down menu. Here you will find option never, every time, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Since I am using virtual machine, so I have limited options here. To disable this one sign in password after sleep, just select this one option never. After that, Windows prompt, enter your pin or password. After that, close this one settings app, and whenever you will leave your PC and your PC goes into sleep mode, when you will wake it up, your Windows 11 PC will not prompt for any password. That's all about this video. Bye.